Hello, my dear children. Very good morning. Just now, we are on the topic of cash book. How the transactions are recorded in cash book. Yesterday it was explained by quoting the examples of the transactions. But in your book, the question number first, today I would like to tell you the single column cash book regarding your question, practical questions given in your book. So my dear children, try to observe the transactions or information given regarding the transactions. Question number first. Enter the following transaction in a single column cash book. How will you record these transactions in single column cash book? First, commenced business with cash, bought goods for cash, paid carriage, sold goods for cash, received from Ram, paid to Shiv Kumar, cash sales, and so on from 1st May to 31st May the transactions given. So we have to record in the cash book. First, we have to draw the line of cash book on the notebooks, whatever you have. Through this video, you have to solve these questions. Okay? Now, this way, first you have to draw the lines. Just like that. In middle of the page, just draw the lines this way. You can write on the top cash book, and then draw the date column, then the amount column, ledger folio number, voucher number. In right hand side, payment column, credit side, also the line must be drawn. This one is the amount column, ledger folio column, voucher number, and the date column. You can write debit, date, particular, voucher number, ledger folio number, amount. Date, particular, voucher number, ledger folio number, amount. This one is the credit, this one is the payment column. Payments. Here you can write on the top receipt. Receipts. So my dear children, just now I would like to whatever the question given, question number first, page number 10.52. 5:2, the question that is given on May 1st, commenced business with cash. Commenced business with cash. Rupees 25,000. Rupees 25,000. Commenced business with cash, rupees 25,000. So you can write, you can record the entry. My dear, commenced business with cash, और this one is the general cash account debit to capital account. आप देख रहे हैं कि इस ट्रांजैक्शंस को आप बिजनेस फर्म को ये पैसा दे रहे हैं, तो रिसीव कर रही है फर्म की बुक में, ये रिकॉर्ड किया जा रहा है. तो May 1st यू कैन राइट ओवर हियर, May 1st टू कैपिटल. किस रूप में? टू कैपिटल. दिस वन इज द एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर द पर्टिकुलर कॉलम. नो वाउचर नंबर, नो लेजर फोलियो नंबर गिवन. 25,000. 25,000. Is it? मैं सोचता हूं wherever I hope it must have been clear for the sake of you. On 3rd May, the next transaction taking place, bought goods for cash. Bought goods for cash. What comes in debit? Just you are making the payment in exchange of goods. So in payment column, May 3rd, May 3, buy, purchase. On buy goods you can write buy, purchase. What's the amount? Amount is 10,000. Just you can write over here payment column 10,000. Clear? Paid carriage, paid payment is made. The payment is being made on the date, particular date 3. By carriage. Expenses this one. And for the expenses carriage, the amount is 200. The amount is 200. You can post, you can record this way. आप देख रहे हैं 200 का पेमेंट कैरेज के रूप में कर रहे हैं, तो बाय कैरेज. तीसरा, चौथा, सोल्ड गुड्स फॉर कैश 6,000. Sold goods for cash means we are receiving the cash in exchange of goods. हम सामान बेच रहे हैं तो हमारे पास कैश आ रहा, तो रिसीप्ट कॉलम में. टू सेल ऑन 4th में 2 सेल्स के रूप में हमारे पास 6,000 रुपीज कैश के रूप में आ रहा. जस्ट वी कैन राइट ओवर 6,000. And received from Ram. What received? Means not information given, so you can write this one as a cash. Received from Ram 1,000. From whom the money is being received? On particular date is 10 May. Just you can write over here in the date column to Ram. राम से आपने प्राप्त किया कैश कितना? 1,000. 1,000. Again now read the information. Next information. Paid to Shiv Kumar. Paid to Shiv Kumar 2,600 on 12 May. पेमेंट आप कर रहे हैं शिव कुमार को इन पेमेंट कॉलम. ऑन 12 में बाय शिव कुमार, बाय शिव कुमार। कितना पेमेंट कर रहे हैं आप? 2600। 2600। Is it clear? Cash sales means the goods is being sold in cash, rupees 8,400. So on the particular date is given 15 May. 15 May cash sales to sales account. To sales account. To sales. The amount 8,400. 8,400. Next day, 18 purchased furniture for cash for office use. For office use, just the furniture is being purchased. Means you are making payment for the furniture. So in payment column on particular date 18. Buying furniture. Buying furniture के लिए आप पेमेंट कर रहे हैं कितने का? फर्नीचर के लिए 5,000. You can write over here 5,000. Paid for advertisement. एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए आप पेमेंट कर रहे हैं किस डेट को? आपने 20 को ही 20 बाय एडवर्टाइजमेंट. By advertisement, what's the amount paid? 500 rupees. Just you can record over here 500. On 20, other information given. Purchase goods from Mahesh on credit. On credit मतलब उधार खरीद रहे हैं. So this transaction is not recorded in the cash book. Why, my dear? Because of that, in cash book, all the cash related transactions are recorded. This one is the transaction for the purchase book or journal proper. So this one is not recorded. This one is not recorded in the cash book. Paid to Mahesh on 24, paid to Mahesh 4,000 rupees. 24 payment that is being made by Mahesh, whom you are. Very easy, my dear. Just the amount paid to Mahesh 4,000. You can write over here 4,000. On 24, 25 paid wages. Paid wages मजदूरी का भुगतान कर रहे हैं. On 25 you can write by wages. By wages. Amount for the wages 400. 400 rupees you can record in payment column. In amount column, received for commission 1,500. Receiving, the cash is being received. Commission on 27. 27 May, just you are receiving the commission. To commission. To commission. The amount is being received. 1500, 1500. Withdrew for personal use. Proprietor just withdrawing the money from the business for his personal use. अपने लिए बेटा निकाल रहा है अपने निजी खर्च के लिए, तो इसका मतलब पेमेंट उसे किया जा रहा है फर्म से। तो बाय ड्राइंग ऑन 28 में बाय पर्सनल यूज को ड्राइंग बोलते हैं, कॉमर्स के लैंग्वेज में बाय ड्राइंग। अमाउंट इज 2200, 2200 and paid salary also given. The other information on 31st May. 31st May by salary in payment column, or this one recorded in payment column 700 rupees. Now this one is the recording of May month of the transactions are taken place in the business. So what is the cash in hand we have to calculate. इतना हमने कैश रिसीव किया, इतना पेमेंट किया, दोनों का अंतर हमारा जो बचेगा वही हमारे पास कैश होगा। तो कैश जो हमारे गले में होगा और इसका जो बैलेंस आएगा दोनों बराबर होना चाहिए, तभी आपका कैश होगा। नाउ जस्ट दिस वे, जस्ट टू हैव टोटल दिस वन 0 0 5 4 9 8 10 41,900 you have received. And what are the payment? Total of the payment you can do. Total of the payment is 0 0